निफ्टी has crossed 16,000, बैंक निफ्टी has crossed 36,000. क्या ये मोमेंटम कंटिन्यूएशन में रहेगा? क्या निफ्टी और ऊपर जाएगा या बैंक निफ्टी और ऊपर जाएगा, या फिर यहाँ पर करेक्शन आएगा? क्या यहाँ पर साइडवेज मूवमेंट आएगा, या फिर यहाँ से हम बहुत ज्यादा नीचे जाने वाले हैं? Let's try to understand these questions in the section where is the money moving. Let's go and analyze the charts and see what they are telling the story. Is it different or the same? So this is the Nifty hourly chart. So let's analyze it first in the hourly chart first. यहाँ पर let's draw some trend lines. In hourly chart, if I observe it closely, यहाँ पर मेरे को निफ्टी एक रेंज में मूव होता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है. The range is precisely of 400 points if I am not wrong. Yep, this is the range of hourly. Correct. इस रेंज को ब्रेकआउट करके निफ्टी हैज मूवन अप, निफ्टी इज मूविंग ऑन द अपसाइड, एंड इफ वी वॉच और ऑब्जर्व क्लोजली, यहाँ पर निफ्टी इज मेकिंग अ फ्लैग पैटर्न इन द आवरली चार्ट. नाउ ये फ्लैग पैटर्न कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग है उसको हम प्रोबेबिलिटी के साथ कनेक्ट करेंगे. यहाँ पर व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ रेड कैंडल वी कैन सी देयर इज अ ड्रास्टिक ड्रॉप इन द वॉल्यूम. आरएसआई इज अबव 77, वॉल्यूम में ड्रॉप है जब यहाँ पर साइडवेज रेंज में गया है. So that means the probability of this flag to work out is very high. यहाँ पर अगर breakout होता है on the upper side, then definitely we can see the target of this particular range, which is almost at the 400 points, and this range will be giving us the target of somewhere around 16,400, 440. So definitely अगर यहाँ पर फ्लैग ब्रेकआउट होता है तो we will be seeing the target of 16,440, and अगर इस पे हमें अगर पोजीशन बनानी है तो हमारा SL should be somewhere around 16,130, जो या इस पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न का एक स्टॉप लॉस है. So if this pattern continues, we can see the target towards the 16,400, 440, and if it doesn't continue and it goes down and closes below 16,130, we should exit our longs. We should not initiate the fresh short. Fresh shorts are not recommended at this level, because from here we can see some consolidation, we might see some sideways movement, we might see some dip. That the time will tell how this particular price action unfolds. Now let's see how it is behaving in the daily chart. So this is Nifty daily. Nifty daily, first of all, let's see how the volumes are behaving. So volumes are behaving in a downward direction, but here clearly volumes are expanding. As in the last two sessions, Nifty has done wonderfully well. Volumes are also expanding as with the price. So that means there is a participation on the buy side. RSI is also given a breakout in the daily chart. Also RSI is 69 level. That means momentum is strong. निफ्टी में मोमेंटम कहीं से भी वीक नहीं है, साइडवेज रेंज को ब्रेकआउट करके ऊपर की तरफ गया है. So definitely 16,400, 440 is the level which we are looking at, provided जो आवरली चार्ट में प्राइस एक्शन है जहां पे फ्लैग पैटर्न बन रहा है वहां पर वो फ्लैग पैटर्न को ब्रेकआउट करके ऊपर की तरफ जाए. नहीं जाएगा तो definitely we will keep our stop losses at 16,130 odd levels. So this is about Nifty. Let's see how Bank Nifty is behaving. So this is Bank Nifty daily chart. Let's try to expand the range. This is expanded range. In Bank Nifty daily also we are seeing that there is a triangle formation. If we observe with the help of volumes, there was a dip in the volume, then the volume has suddenly started increasing. So definitely participation is there, and we are seeing full candles which are being formed. So that means buying side mein participation hai. RSI in the daily range is 63 and it is trying to break out of the consolidation. Almost it has broken out of this consolidation. That means momentum bhi yahan par ye pick kar raha hai, and यहाँ से हम लोग को कंसोलिडेशन में आगे अगर ये ब्रेकआउट करके बाहर जाता है, so we can see the target in the Bank Nifty somewhere around 38,200, 38,300. That is a decent target to be looked at. Now if we talk about the stop loss, then definitely 34,564, and the first target, in fact, stop loss would be 35,400. So 35,400 would be the first stop loss where I would not enter any long. I mean, I would wait for that level to break down, and if it goes below, then probably I will exit all my longs. So right now I will wait for this particular Bank Nifty to close above somewhere around 36,300. then only I would try to enter into it for the target of 38,300, 38,400, which is precisely the target of this particular range, this particular triangle. So this would be the target which we have to look if it moves up, and slowly and gradually this particular target would be somewhere around 42,000, 41,900 or 42,000. So if Bank Nifty, which is looking very strong, if it moves in the upward direction and continues its momentum above 37,800, then definitely we are open for 42,000 also. Volumes are expanding, volumes are giving more support to the price, then we have a good chance to see what is coming up in the Bank Nifty. So this was all about where is the money moving in the session for about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Have a nice day. Bye bye.